Well, guys, today on Fun Limited, dude, we're going to train this guy up because he's not the best at Kirby. He's not the best at Kirby, but we need to train him up so we can so he'll be a good threat for the other teams. So, alright, so we've got the Premier softball. One minute, it's a bit fuzzy. 1 minute, guys, it's a bit fuzzy. Something's a bit fuzzy. 1 minute, guys. Guys are back. So let's get into it.
Hi.
Right, come on. So first off, from the middle.
Can I go through the middle?
Dude, come here.
Because I'm not good.
Come here. Yeah, dude, just trying to get it from the middle, okay? Dude, when you're doing it, yeah, you don't want to go like boom. You want to go like underarm. Okay, so go for the middle again. Don't try and go, because it'll go too far. 1 minute, car's coming. Yeah, dude, that's a bit better.
Yeah.
Wait. Come on. So back again. Dude, don't run back. Oh no, it's starting to rain. Okay. Can carry on. 1 minute, guys. Come on. Come on. Yeah, like that, but try not to put so much force on. Yeah, nice. Ooh, that was just like a general gun.
I'm doing a challenge.
Yeah. How many you can get? Ooh, close. Nah, we can't do it in. Because in the house, really.
Yeah.
Kirby.
Yeah.
In the house. Do I have curbs in the house? Yeah, nice. Wait, dude, I think you've got that now, haven't you?
No.
Yeah. To get the ball. Dude, stop kicking it. Never mind. Come on, go. So, Serge, now you've got that. Let's do some kicks. Actually, let's go throw from a long distance. So, go on that curb. Go on that curb there. Just go on that curb. Come on, go. No. Yeah, like that. Try and make it a bit further. Oh, that was a bad kick. Yeah. Guys, we'll stop it, it's too wet, so bye.